Hi students. Okay students, in our previous class I given to you a homework. Is it right or not? Did you complete that one? Yes, I think you completed. And everybody should listen class. After listening the class, if you have any doubt, again you have to repeatedly you have to listen. Okay? After you have to do what I am giving homework or assignment, you have to do that one. Okay? Everyone follow that one. Okay? So before going to start, I am revise one time your previous class. Okay? Already in your previous class we discussed about one topic. What is the name of topic? Yes, respiratory system. Respiratory system. Is it right? So what we discussed in the respiratory system? First of all, we discussed about respiration. What is a respiration and what is breathing? In the breathing, which one involves inhaling and exhaling? Okay. What type of organs? Main organs are there in the respiratory system. Mainly there are 4 organs or 4 parts. What are they? Nose, windpipe, next lungs and the diaphragm. These are the main parts in the respiratory system. With the help of these 4 parts, we are taking air inside and releasing out. Like this is happening in the respiration. So this system is called respiratory system. So in this respiratory system, what is happening? Gases are exchanging. Means oxygen is going inside, carbon dioxide is coming outside. Is it right? So in the last class we discussed about respiratory system. Is it clear? Just I am revising you. Now in this class I am going to teach, or we are going to discuss one more topic, that is about life cycle. That is about a life cycle. Is it clear? Life cycle. Before going to discuss about life cycle, first of all, small thing is that is life span. Life span. First of all, we have discussed about this one. After that, we have discussed about this. Is it clear? Yes. What is lifespan? What is a lifespan? Means, yes, generally we are seeing so many types of animals, so many types of plants around us. Is it right? Okay. In them, some animals are living some days, few days. Some are living some years. Is it right? Plants are there. See, some plants are living only some months only. After they will die. Is it right or not? Some trees are there, big trees. They can live some hundreds years. Okay? Here, what is life span? What is life span? Life span is living area, living days. Each and every animal has a specific time period. Specific time period. Specific time to live. Specific time to live. That is called life span. Got you? Specific time to live. Whatever it, animals or plants or trees, whatever it, they can live certain time, specific time. So this is called a life span. In their lifespan, suppose examples, we take a mosquito. Do you know mosquito? Yes. They are living only 7 days. Do you know about this? They are living only 7 days. Okay. So in these 7 days, they have life cycle. They maintain life cycle. So what is there in the life cycle? they have different stages to growing stage to, and they are giving to birth to their young ones. So these are all happening in these 7 days only. Suppose if you take human beings, what is the how much is the human beings lifespan? Approximately 100 years. Generally we are saying 100 years. So this lifespan is different, is there one animal to another animal. Is it clear? Yes. These are the examples. This is mosquitoes lifespan. This is human beings lifespan. In their lifespan, they have some special events. They have special events. So first we discussed about lifespan. Now we are going to discuss about life cycle. First of all, what is life cycle? What is life cycle? So what is life cycle? The successive events. The successive events in the life history. Successive events in the life history. In the life history. Of an organism. Of an organism are called its life cycle. Are called life cycle. Are called life cycle. Got it? What is life cycle? The successive events. Events means something is happening in their lifespan. Okay. So they are the events. So successive. They are the successful, are they? So the successive events in the life history of an organism. Organism is creature. Creature means, is it a plant or is it either animal, whatever it. So they are called organisms. So if you take any organism, in its life some successive events are happening. So these successive events in which life is there, that is called life cycle. It is called life cycle. Okay. And a life cycle is a process that depicts, that contains an important stage. So in their life cycle, they have some important stages are there. Important stages. It contains important stages. Understood everyone? Understood everyone? See, what is that? What is life cycle? The successive events in the life history of an organism are called a life cycle. Clear? So in these successive events, some stages are there. Some stages are there. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about these stages. Simply see, when we born, if you take human beings, when we born, how we born first? A small kid, a small baby. Is it right? So we born like a baby, small baby. So in our life cycle, in our lifespan, this is the first stage. Baby stage is first stage. So after born like a baby, are we stay always like baby? No. Day by day, what is happening? Growing is increasing. Our growing is started. Is it right? After that, we reach to small child. We reach to small child. After that, what will happen? We enter into the teenage. After that, adult age. After that, old age. After that we will die. We will die. Okay now. So these are the different stages. These are the different stages in a human being. We born like a babe. After that we change like a child. So in this one stage to another stage, something is happening. So according to that, we are completing our life cycle. In this life cycle, we are giving birth to young ones. So these young ones start these all stages again. This is continuous process. This is continuous process and repeatedly happening. That is why we are calling that one life cycle. Life cycle. It is a cycle, rotating process. Continuously it is happening. First of all, we born like a babe. After the child, we are getting child stage, teen stage, adult stage, and old stage. In adult stage, we are giving birth to young ones. After completing our old stage, we will die. So, for whom we are giving birth to young ones in adult stage. So, these people started again this life cycle. This is cycle, one continuous process. That is why we are saying that on life cycle. Clear? Understood everyone? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a life cycle in plants. First of all, we have discussed life cycle in a plant. Do you know plants? Yes. Generally, we are seeing plants around us. Is it right or not? Yes. We are going to discuss about life cycle of a plant. Life cycle of a plant. Each and every plant has life cycle. In their life cycle, they also have successive events. Okay, what are the successive events? How they are growing? How they start to grow? What is happening? How they are giving birth to their young ones. After that, what will happen? So these are all we are discussing in the life cycle of a plant. What is happening in its life cycle? Okay. See how it start life cycle of a plant. If you take one plant, how it is starting? Its life cycle. How it is starting? Each and every plant's life cycle. Okay. Each and every plant's life cycle start with a seed. It is a seed. So these seeds are sowing in the soil. Is it right or not? Yes. What will happen when we sow the seeds in the soil? What will happen? They will start germinate. Okay. First of all, these are the seeds. This is the first stage in the plant. So when we sow the seeds in the soil, they start germination. They grow like a small plant. Is it right? This is the plant picture. Seeds grow into small plant. This is called germination. When the seeds grow into a seedling, small stage of plant is called seedling. That is called germination. When the seeds grow into a seedling stage, that is called germination. So in this stage, what will happen? They will get slowly small leaves, green leaves. Okay. After getting green leaves, they begin prepare their food, prepare their own food. This is plant. This is a plant. Okay. So how they germinate? When the seed get, we have already discussed, seeds germinate and after they will change like a plant. when the seeds get, or when the seeds start germinate, when they receive sufficient warm, water and air. When these three things are available to a seed, then it starts grow. What are they? Warm, water and air. These are the three things, important things. So when these three things are equally are there, are equally getting seeds, they start to germinate, they grow like a small plant. So after that, what will happen? Plants are getting leaves, these leaves are starting preparing food. That is why leaves are called food factory of a plant. After that, from the plants, birds are growing. From the plants, buds. B-U-D-S. Buds. Buds are growing. Buds means mogal. Okay. So these birds start like a flower. They change like a flowers. They change like a birds change into flowers. Birds change into flowers, not birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. So they are flying in the air, not the birds. These are the birds. These birds change like a flowers in a plant. So when the plant gives flowers, in the flowers what will happen? The flowers pollinated. Pollinated means with the help of honey bees, wind, water, animals. So these are the agents. Okay. With the help of these agents, what will happen? Pollination is happening in the plants. So what is pollination? Means male in the plant, male flowers are there, female flowers are there. Male flowers, female flowers are there. So male flowers are producing pollens. Pollens means, if you see in the hibiscus plant, hibiscus, do you know hibiscus? Mandala. Okay. In that one, in the hibiscus plant, ending on pot is there. Ending of the pot, if you observe, means this type of things are there. Yellow color pots are there. So these yellow color pots are called pollens. Okay. So male, when the pollens are reaching from male part to female part. Okay. So that is called pollination. Okay. What is pollination? Male part of flowers. Okay. Pollen is transferring from male part to the female part. Pollen is transferring from male part to female part. It is called pollination. After getting pollination, what will happen? From the flowers, these flowers are changing into fruits. Suppose they change like a fruit. They change like a fruit. From the plants, what they are getting? Fruits. So when the fruits get ripened, or when they grow in big size, what will happen? Again we are getting here seeds. We are getting here seeds. So these seeds are dispersing. Okay. After that, when the seeds are dispersing, so seeds are dispersing in many ways. So some seeds are, for them also some agents are there. So what are the agents? Human beings, birds, wind, water, like that are there. Okay, these are the agents. They help in the seeds dispersal. So when they disperse seeds from the mother plant, again they reach to first stage, seed stage. So when they fall on the soil, they start germinate. Again they will grow like a plant. Again this plant get flowers. Okay, the flowers change like a fruits. From the fruits we are getting again here seeds. Again from the seeds we are getting like this. This is a life cycle of a plant. Again here flowers. Here we have to draw flowers also. Flowers stage. From the plants we are getting flowers. From the flowers we are getting fruits. From the fruits we are getting seeds. They will disperse from this stage. Okay. For the disperse purpose, what are the agents? Human beings, water, wind, animals are there. These are the agents to disperse of seeds. After that, they will disperse in different places. And again, they will start grow like a plant. Again, they will reach flower stage, fruit stage, and it's dispersal stage. Again, it is happening continuous. This is the life cycle in plants. Understood, everyone? Yes. And now we are going to discuss. Now, in which we discuss life cycle in the plants. Now we are going to discuss life cycle in a animal. So life cycle of butterfly. Life cycle of a butterfly. Now we are discussing this life cycle in animal. Okay. See what happens in the butterfly. Adult butterflies are there. So they lay eggs. They lay eggs on the leaf. They lay eggs on the leaf. Is it clear? Okay. Adult butterflies are there. So they also live just short period, short time, just to 1 week to 10 days only. Butterflies are living 1 week or 10 days highest. So in this 1 week or 10 days, they complete their life cycle. Okay. So what they will do? An adult butterfly, what is there? So that is laying eggs on a leaf. Plants have so many leaves. So they select any one leaf. So on the leaf they put or they lay eggs. They lay eggs. Okay. After what will happen? After getting these eggs, sunlight, they get a hatch. After hatching, what will happen? From the eggs, a larva is producing. Larva is coming. That is caterpillar. They are calling that one caterpillar. Generally, we are seeing green color is there. They are moving like this. So they are the caterpillars. They are the caterpillars. So these caterpillars are eating leaves. Caterpillars are eating leaves. This is the second stage. Here we are seeing eggs. This is caterpillar. This is called larva. This is called larva. After after 1 or 2 days, what will happen? These caterpillars change like a pupa stage. It change like a pupa stage. See, caterpillars are moving from one leaf to another leaf, and in the same way they are eating leaves and they grow in size. Okay. After that, what will happen? This caterpillar or larva change into pupa stage. This is a pupa stage. pupa stage. So in this stage, it is not moving. It is not a moving. It is resting. It is in resting stage. After that, what will happen? Finally, growing of pupa. From the pupa, adult butterfly is coming. What will happen? Adult butterfly. After that, what will happen? Adult. Okay. Again, this adult butterfly can lay eggs. Okay. After hatching these eggs with the help of sunlight, they will change like a larva stage. That is caterpillar. That is called caterpillar. Again, this caterpillar change into pupa stage. This is resting stage. Again, after fully grown later, this change like an adult butterfly. This is the life cycling butterfly. Is it clear? So, we discussed in life cycle of a plant and the life cycle of butterfly. Clear? Yes. Now I am going to give. Understood everyone? Yes. See once. I am going to give assessment or assignment or homework. What is the homework? What is a life cycle? What is a life cycle? Dash, comma, dash, and dash. Okay? Are required for the growth of a plant. The dispersal of seeds occurs with the help of dash, comma, dash, and dash. Okay, this is homework for you. What is a life cycle? Dash, comma, dash, and dash are required for the growth of a plant. Third one is the dispersal of seed occurs with the help of dash, comma, dash, and dash. This is homework. After listening to the class, you have to write these answers. Understood everyone? Okay. And we will discuss in our next class, okay, about A. About A. Clear? In our next class, we will discuss about A. This is the topic. Understood everyone? Okay. If you have any doubt, you have to listen 1 or 2 or 3 times. After you have to do this homework. Thank you everyone.